Why is it difficult to generate a consistent grid of renewable energy? In a word, unpredictability. Renewable energy is a powerful tool for a sustainable future. But when it comes to providing a steady and reliable grid, the biggest challenge lies in one word: unpredictability. Introduction. Unlike traditional power plants that burn coal, gas, or use nuclear fuel, renewable sources like solar and wind depend on natural forces. This means they don't always produce the same amount of energy. That variability creates big challenges for grid stability. The role of unpredictability. Solar energy depends on sunshine, and wind turbines need the right wind speed. Both can change from hour to hour or season to season. Unlike fossil fuels, which can be dispatched whenever needed, renewable power is not as easily controlled. This makes balancing supply and demand more complicated. Consumer behavior as a variable. On the other side of the equation, consumer behavior adds more uncertainty. People use more electricity during peak times, like evenings, and less during off-peak hours. To manage this, energy providers often incentivize consumers to shift usage to off-peak times. But balancing these patterns with variable renewable supply is still a challenge. Challenges for the grid. Grid operators face multiple challenges. They must integrate variable renewable sources while keeping the grid stable. They also need to manage two-way power flows, especially as more homes and businesses generate their own electricity. And to make things even more reliable, we need advanced energy storage systems and smarter grid technologies. Conclusion. In conclusion, renewable energy is clean and sustainable, but its unpredictability makes grid management difficult. The way forward lies in solutions like energy storage, demand response programs, and the development of smarter grid systems. These will help us unlock the full potential of renewable energy while maintaining a reliable power supply.